Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you and your family are staying safe at home. If not, then do so. Take care of yourselves. Since we are not going to school, that does not mean that we are not going to study. So I made a way to educate you through this video. Let's begin with some shapes that you already know. Do you know what are two-dimensional shapes? Two-dimensional shapes are also known as 2D shapes, where number 2 is used for measures, 2 measures, and the alphabet D is for dimensions. I guess every one of you know 2D shapes. Now let me show you some two-dimensional shapes. Look at this shape. The shape is called a circle. A circle is a two-dimensional shape or 2D shape that has a curved surface and no corners. The next one is a triangle that has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. The next shape is a square. A square is a 2D shape which has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. The last shape which we are going to discuss is a rectangle. A rectangle is a 2D shape that has 4 sides and 4 corners, but only opposite sides are equal. Now let's learn more about it. As you can see, two-dimensional shapes have 2 dimensions. That is the length and the width. That's why it is called two-dimensional shapes. And always remember, 2D shapes are flat. We measure the length or how long is the shape and width or how wide is the shape. We have learned 2D shapes. Do you know three-dimensional shapes? Don't worry, that's what we are going to learn today, and we are going to learn it through shapes, where three-dimensional shapes are also known as 3D shapes. The number 3 is used for 3 measures, and the alphabet D, of course, is used for dimensions. Let's see some 3D shapes. Wow, it's a sphere. What do you call it? A sphere. A sphere looks like a ball, or it can be the planet Earth which we live on. The next one is a cone. A cone is shaped like a party hat, or you can say an ice cream cone. The next shape is called a cylinder. A cylinder is shaped like a Pepsi can or a candle. A cube looks like a block, or you can say the dice you roll. The next shape is a cuboid. A cuboid looks like a book, or you can say a mobile phone. Do you know why we call it three-dimensional? Because it has 3 measures. Three-dimensional shapes have 3 dimensions. Like we measure the height or how tall, or you can say what's the height of that box. The next is width or how wide, or you can say how fat is the shape. The last thing is length or how long is the shape. That's the difference between 2D and 3 dimensions, or you can say 3D, where 2 dimensions have 2 measures and 3 dimensions have 3 measures. Always remember, 2D shapes are flat, whereas 3D shapes are always fat shapes. Let's learn 3D shape poem. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. Sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is a building tall. A cylinder is a can of pop. A cube is like a dice you drop. A cuboid is like mobile you use. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Okay, now let's see which 3D shapes we read in this poem. A cone. A cone is like a party hat. Very good. A sphere. It looks like a bouncy ball. Okay, a prism. A building tall. The next shape is a cylinder, or you can say a can. The next one is cube. It looks like a dice. A cuboid. It looks like a mobile, which you have. Okay, so let's do some fun stuff on your Oxford New Countdown Book 1 3rd edition. So students, please open your pages number 3 and 4. Let's begin. Okay, on this page number 3, do you remember shapes? As we have already discussed. Question number 1, find the shapes and color them. For this, you have to look at the box on your left side of this page. Can you see all the shapes? And some colors are also written. First, we will solve the small box and then we will discuss about the picture. Okay, the first shape is given a sphere. Look at the sphere. The red color is written. You have to color it red. The next shape is a cylinder. You have to color it pink. The next shape is a cone. Color it yellow. The next one is a cube. Color it blue. The last shape is a cuboid. You have to color it green. As you have colored all the 3D shapes in this box, now look at the picture. It's Amir's birthday and his sister is also standing next to him. Let's find some shapes. Can you find a sphere-shaped objects in this picture? Very good, students. The balloons, the dots on Amir's hat, the marbles on the table. You have to color all these sphere into red. The next shape is a cylinder, which you have colored it pink. Can you find cylinder shape? Yes. A cake and a box. Both are cylinder shape. The next shape is a cone. You already know a party hat is shaped like a cone. Amir, his sister, is wearing a party hat. And there is another party hat on the table. You have to color them yellow. And one more shape. Amir is holding a party horn. It is also shaped like a cone. You also have to color this yellow. The next shape is a cube. Can you see a cubicle gift box on the table? You have to color it blue. The next one is a cuboid. Another gift is on the table. Look carefully. You have to color it green. Okay, I have done the coloring for you. Let's see what I have done. Wow, it's magic. You have done question number 1. The next question is question number 2. You have to fill in the boxes. Number 1 is Amir got dash gifts. Count the gifts quickly. Amir got 2 gifts. Very good, students. The next one is Amir's hat has dash dots. Quickly count the dots on Amir's hat. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Amir's hat has 8 dots. The next one is Amir is dash years old. I want all of you to count the candles on the cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, Amir is 5 years old. The next one is Saima's hat has dash dots. You have to count the dots on Saima's hat. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Saima's hat has 6 dots. Very good. Amir got dash marbles. Now find the marbles and count them quickly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Amir got 4 marbles. Now open your page number 4. Question is, take the shapes in each row that are the same. Take the shapes in each row that are the same. Then color these shapes. One has been done for you. Okay, look at the shapes carefully and you have to pick up the same shape and you have to mark a tick, a small tick on it. In row A, 2 same shapes has been ticked. Can you see? A peach and a basketball, both are same shaped. In row B, look at the shapes. You have to tick the same shapes. Very good, students. A box and a dice you roll are same. I have ticked it for you. Row C, which 2 shapes are same? Let me do it for you. I think a book and a box is same. It's kind of flat box. The next row, 4 shapes are again. You have to find the same shape and you have to tick it. I think a glass and a can are same shaped. The last one is a little bit tricky. In row E, you have to find the same shape. Okay, I'll do it for you. A party hat and a carrot. These are same. Now, you have to color the sticked shape as I have already done. See, I have colored these for you. Now take out your workbooks and open up worksheets number 2A and 2B in your mathematics Workbook Class 1 3D Shapes. First we will solve page number 3 and then page number 4. In page number 3, you can see a lot of shapes on both sides. Can you see? Very good. For this, you have to use a scale to draw a line. You have to match the same shapes. Look at the first one, a beach ball on your left side. The second one is an ice cream cone. Third one is a can of pop. Fourth is a gift box. And 5 is a book. On your right side, there is a candle, planet Earth. The third one is a cone, a party hat. Fourth one is a mobile phone, and the last one is a Rubik cube. You have to match the same shapes, but you have to use a scale to draw a straight line. Let's solve it. I think the first one matches with the planet Earth because the beach ball is like a sphere as well as the Earth. Next one is an ice cream cone. I think ice cream cone matches with a party hat. Very good. The next one is a can of pop. A can of pop matches with a candle. The same shapes I have matched. Okay, the next shape is a gift box. Remember that a cube looks like a box. I have matched it. The last shape is left, a book and a mobile phone. So, do it quickly. Yes, we have done it. Now open up page number 4, worksheet number 2B. It's also about 3D shapes. Oh, I can see some 3D shape name written. A sphere looks like a ball and 2 blank boxes are given under it. The next shape is written a cube. A cube looks like a box. Again, 2 blank boxes are given for cube. The next shape is a cone. A cone looks like a party hat. Again, 2 boxes are given. The next one is the last one, a cylinder. A cylinder looks like a can. 2 empty boxes are again given. Okay. Oh, I can see some different shapes. Can you see the pictures of different 3D shapes? Okay. Now here you have to find out the shapes that looks like a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a cylinder. Now you have to take the help of your mother or anyone elder in your family to cut these shapes from your book. Next, you have to find the given shapes and you have to paste these pictures in these empty boxes. Like I have done it for you. Here, a sphere is like a ball. You have to find the shape of a ball, a round curved surface. Very good. I did it for you. The next one is a cube. You have to find the shape of a box. Can you find it? As I have already found two shapes. Yes, two shapes are like a box. The next one is a cone, a traffic cone, and a party hat. Very good. The last one is a cylinder, a metallic rod, and a candle. They both look like a cylinder and they are like a can. I have matched it for you, but you have to paste it with a glue. I'm going to show you that how I did it. See, I have pasted a sphere-like pictures in a box of sphere, a cube-like boxes, a cone. They look like a party hat, and the last one is a cylinder. Can you see both the shapes? Yes, they look like a can. That's it, kids. I hope you enjoyed your first SLS School e-learning session. I wish to see you soon. Enjoy learning, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands regularly and properly. Bye bye.